Hello my customer, today I will guide you how to use the cupping machine for the bird nest bottle. Here, here is a tool for the repair the machine if have a problem. You can see here the power switch for turn on and turn off the machine. Here the automatic switch. Here the point control switch. Here the insurance press, and here the power indication. First you turn on the machine here. Here, turn on the machine and press the automatic switch. Okay, you have a two-way to cap the bottle. The first way is press this point control switch. And the second way, you can connect the pedal to behind the machine here. Okay. And use your foot to press the pedal. Press one time. Okay. For the example, here you put the cover on the top of the bottle and put on in here. Press the first way you press this button. Okay, very easy. It's very easy. This machine you can use for to tie up the bottle if you want to cup the 70 ml bottle, and if you want use for the 150 bottle, you take off the coupling. You take off the couple here, and here. Be careful. Do it. Be careful. Okay. This bearing and the gaskets. Here. This is very easy. Thank you.